Is this something that you would like to have for yourself or for your clients? A beautiful looking web shop that converts like crazy? Then stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how you can do this without any coding skills or designing skills. Hey guys, my name is Mark and I am really excited to showcase our new product called VetrinaLive. It's a fantastic platform that allows you to create beautiful looking web shops, and that will convert like crazy without having to do any kind of coding or designing skills. You just fill in your data, you just fill in your products, categories, discounts, and you are good to go. So how does this work? Let me show you right now. So as you can see from the product overview, from the web shop overview, you will have your business data along with your contact details and your social media links. Then we have the featured products, as you can see in a beautiful looking slider. So if I do not hover over it, you will see it slide to the next few products. So this is fantastic because you can determine which kinds of products you want to have featured and highlight. And then just below this, you also have promotional package. This means that you will be able to set up any kind of promotional offers during special holidays like Christmas, a winter bundle, a summer bundle, whatever you want to, and have a good discount on them, and which will of course increase sales as well. Then below this, you will have the list of all your products, and you can also select your categories here. So with this overview, you will have a fantastic looking page. So for example, if I want to buy this one, you can just go in, pick your size and color. So let's say an S, and let's do a blue one. And then you can insert the quantity, say add to cart, and you also hear a nice looking ping. You will see that the notification states that it's added to the cart. But if we scroll down a little bit more, you will see also direct upsells. So this is a really strong feature to have inside of web shops. And for example, with WooCommerce, you need to do a lot of plugins, add-on plugins to achieve just this result. But this is fantastic as well, because this will allow you to increase the sales amount on a specific order, right? So on a single order. So how does this look like in the backend? What do you need to do to set all of this up? In the backend, once you're logged in, you will have this dashboard overview. So if we take a look at products, it's really easy to see. You have your product overview. And this is in a list view, by the way. So if you want to have a little bit more of a good overview inside the backend, you can also switch to grid view. It really looks amazing, and this is a perfect field to have as well. From here, you can also determine that you want to share specific products only on social media, for example. So if we press the share icon, you can just copy the link directly and it will go directly to this product. Or you can also use the social sharing buttons like Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn. Now we can also say add product. Inside the add product, we will be able to give the product a name, a description, a price, a discounted price. So if you want to have a discounted price, you can just do so by activating the check and then insert the amount. You can upload up to 5 images per product, so that's pretty huge as well. Select a category once you've created it. You can fill in your product or your SKU number, and if not, then the system will automatically add this for you. And also your stock availability. And you can also say, okay, I want this as a featured product, which will then show inside that featured product section on the front end view. You also have the variants section. So we can also add variants like sizes or colors. And then once done, you can just press add and the product will be added to this overview. You also have the promotional packages, which pretty much goes the same way. And you can just select the products you want inside of one package and then give a discounted price. And then we also have the orders. At the order overview, you will see the status, you will see the payment, but there are also a few options to choose from when pressing the 3 dots. So if we do this, we can view the entire order. So that's great because we also need the customer's credentials, right, to send the package towards them. You can also contact them via WhatsApp. For example, if there is a status update about a certain product, or you see that the payment has not gone through yet, then you can contact them directly with via WhatsApp, because they gave their telephone number, for example. You can also print or download the order as PDF, so you always have a neat overview of your setup of your orders. Then we also have delivery options which you can set up. You will have a delivery cost and delivery zones, which you can fully customize to your own liking. And then we also have payment options. So for the payment options, we currently have offline payments. We also have wire transfer payments, Stripe and PayPal. But these are the current payment options. You can also customize the web shop a little bit to match your brand, right? So once going here, you can also adjust your shop URL if you want to, or if you have the correct plan, and then you can also link your own custom domain. If we go back, you will be able to adjust the logo and also have a top bar enabled, and the top bar will look like this. You can adjust the text color and of course the text background color along with the message. Then if we go back into the headlines and cover image, this will be displayed as a meta description, right? So you have the title, you have the meta description, and then the cover image as well. You can either pick a cover image from the gallery, which are stock photos, so you have free access to them, or you can upload your own image, and you'll also see the cover image recommendations below that. So that's good to know in advance as well when picking out your cover image. Then if we go back, then we also have the store design. You can either disable the featured products or promotional packages or enable them, and then they will be enabled or just hidden on this overview of the web shop. And we also have others. So these are some fields that you can enable or disable as well to your own liking. So if we go back to the dashboard, we also have the ability to sell on social. So this is a pretty huge integration as well. So grow your business with Facebook and Instagram. Instagram is coming. It's coming soon. And with Facebook, you already have the option to connect to your own Facebook shop. So you will be able to synchronize your product from VetrinaLive with your Facebook shop, which is pretty amazing feature to have, because this allows you to manage the products in just one place, in this case VetrinaLive, and it will automatically sync twice a day with the Facebook shop. But if you have any kind of changes made inside the web shop, product-wise or customizations you want to have enabled right away, you can also press the button manually. So this is a great option to have. Then you also have a section called discount codes, where you can either set a percentage of a fixed rate discount, and you have your settings. Now from your settings, you will be able to set your picture background, again, the shop logo, the shop settings. So you will also be able to pick a category, featured description, and the shop name. You can change your password, but you can also insert legal notes, which is pretty great as well, because on the front end, if we take a look, if we scroll down, you will have your privacy and cookie policy and terms and conditions. So if you press this, then it will pop up a window. And this window shows the cookie and privacy policy, which you can set up inside of here, as you can see here. And we also have the terms and conditions. So if we take a look at the terms and conditions, so let's close this and then go with the terms and conditions. That will be this part. So you can save this directly inside of VetrinaLive as well. No need to set up any separate pages for this on your own website or link to any kind of third-party platform for this. So as you can see, VetrinaLive is a full working web shop that enables the design and coding for you, and you only have to fill in the data in the back-end system. And VetrinaLive will generate this amazing looking web shop for you. You don't have to do anything for this, and just enjoy the sales that you see coming in. So go grab yourself a copy of VetrinaLive today and try it out yourself.